Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to change the chats to be deleted 24 hours after viewing on Snapchat. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So by default, once you see the chat, the message gets deleted right away. Changing it to delete 24 hours after it has been viewed allows the person to properly follow the conversation you're having with the other person. So to change it, open up your Snapchat app, go to the chat tab at the bottom, tap on the person where you want the chat to be deleted 24 hours after viewing, then tap on the person's chat profile at the top left, then tap on the three dots at the top right, tap on chat settings at the bottom, now tap on delete chats, then select 24 hours after viewing. And that is how to change chat settings to delete 24 hours after viewing on Snapchat. If you have any questions for me, then please leave in the comment section down below. Please like this video if you found this useful and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.